Teacher Bonnie here with the topic at the beach. For this video, we're going to talk about something that you can play with when it's windy. It's good to play when it's very windy and you can go all the way up into the sky. You know what it is? Okay, it is the kite. Kite. For the word kite, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, but there are only 3 sounds. Kite, kite. 3 sounds. Let's go look at a word. Here we go. Okay, there's Kicking King, Mr. I, Talking Tess, and Silent Magic E. Here we can see there's a Silent Magic E story over here. Okay, so Silent Magic E shoots out magic sparks over one letter and onto the vowel, making a vowel man appear. Here we can see it's Mr. I, saying his name, I. Silent Magic E is silent. He will not say anything. So that's why the word is kite. 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 Are you guys ready to spell it? Here we go. Oops. Okay, the answer is K-I-T-E. K-I-T-E. Kite. I wonder if it's windy now. I should fly my kite later if it is windy. See ya!